Introducing the versatile 2-in-1 tire inflator, your perfect companion for both car and bike maintenance. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this inflator handles a variety of tires, ensuring you're always prepared, whether on the road or out for a ride. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to carry, and dual functionality means you don't need separate devices for car and bike tires. With multiple pressure settings and a clear digital display, this inflator helps you achieve the perfect inflation level with ease. The cordless tire inflator is designed to meet all your inflation needs anytime and anywhere, even in emergencies. This latest model allows you to inflate your tire directly, even when the air compressor is out of battery, ensuring you're never stranded. With its portable and cordless design, the Lerovo air pump is compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for drivers, cyclists, and adventurers. It offers 4 pressure units: PSI, bar, kPa, and kg/cm superscript 2, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that suits your needs. The powerful motor ensures quick and efficient inflation, capable of inflating a 195/55 R15 car tire from 22 psi to 36 psi in just 3 minutes. However, it's advisable to allow a 10-minute rest period after every 10 minutes of use to maintain its longevity. The inflator features a precise LED digital display, enabling you to monitor real-time and preset pressure with ease. With an auto shut-off function, it ensures safety by stopping automatically once the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Equipped with 3 rechargeable 2000 mAh batteries, the inflator can operate continuously for 20 minutes without the need for an external power supply. Additionally, it comes with a bright LED light on top, offering 3 modes: flashlight, alarm light, and SOS light, making it convenient for nighttime use or emergencies. Whether you're inflating tires in the dark or need an emergency light, the Lerovo cordless tire inflator is a versatile and essential tool for every vehicle. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for versatile inflation tasks. The package includes a tire inflator, an air hose, a press-to-valve adapter, a ball needle adapter, and a short tapered nozzle. These accessories make it easy to inflate a variety of items, from car and bike tires to sports balls and other inflatables. With this complete set, you're prepared for any inflation needs, whether at home or on the go. First, turn on the device by pressing and holding the power button for 5 seconds. The device will power on, and the display will show both the preset value and the real-time value. The real-time value indicates the current pressure of the tire, which will be displayed once you attach the device to the tire nozzle. Next, attach the air hose to the device to prepare for use. Press the mode button to select the preset value of the tire pressure depending on your application. This allows you to customize the inflation settings for different types of tires or inflatables. For example, after selecting the desired mode, press the power button to start inflating the tire. At this point, you will hear the air flowing, and the blowing noise may be slightly louder as the device operates. This device features an LED light for added convenience when inflating and changing tires in the dark. It offers 3 modes: flashlight, alarm light, and SOS light, activated by pressing the light button. There are 2 ways to charge this device: using the car charger cable while simultaneously inflating the tire, or with a USB cable and a mobile power adapter. Fully charge the appliance for 3 to 4 hours, and it will provide continuous operation for up to 20 minutes. When charging, the LED icon will indicate the charging status and battery level. The recommended charger is a DC 5V 2A power adapter. This device can also function as a mobile power bank to charge your smartphone and other USB-powered devices. Simply use the available USB port to connect and utilize this feature. example, I used this system to inflate my scooter tire. I selected the scooter mode, and the preset value appeared. Since this is the front tire, which requires a lower pressure compared to the rear tire, I adjusted the value using the plus or minus buttons to set the desired pressure. The large LCD display will show the current air level of the tire when the air hose is connected to the tire nozzle. The reading shows 19 psi, so I press the power button to start inflating the tire to the set value of 28 psi. Once the value reaches 28 psi, the device will automatically stop inflating and cease airflow as per the set value. This time, I used the device to inflate my car tire. As usual, select the preset value for the car and adjust it as needed using the plus or minus buttons. Connect the air hose, read the real-time pressure, and then start inflating to achieve the desired pressure. You can follow the same procedure and use other types of nozzles to inflate various home applications. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content like this and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated.